that in reality, Lori Vallow was the one cheating. There's many witnesses that testify to this, and it started back in October of 2018. Prosecutor Kay wanted to keep the jury focused on the very important aspects of that morning of July 11th, 2019. She wanted to make sure that the jury had this day well memorized and that it would stick in their minds so that whenever they do their deliberations, they will know it inside out and backwards. So one of the most important texts is, she writes, "Lots to do. Thank you for standing by me. It's all coming to a head this week. I will be like Nephi, I am told, and so will you." Lori wasn't concerned that her husband was gone, that her kids just experienced a traumatic event. She had no concerns for anyone or anything other than Charles' phone and his wallet. That's a really important thing to point out to the jury. That would give them something to really think on. So the prosecutor wants to create suspicion of Lori and Alex, their sketchy behavior, especially this day. Also, why would Lori have Charles' phone? Why wouldn't she give it to the police until they asked for it? Why was Lori not concerned about her brother, the fact that she claims that he got hit with a baseball bat? Why is it that Lori's seriously not shaking up? One of the biggest questions, who was the person responsible for getting Lori this information that she's being ambushed? She wanted Zach to come and be a witness for her for some odd reason. She reached out to Zach. By phone, she said that he got a little, belligerent with her. Can you blame him? Very odd behavior by Lori to expect all these family members to just forgive her and act like none of this ever happened. She really has no concern about anybody's welfare. That's something I've learned. She was worried that Zach was being rude to her. But what she hasn't thought about is, what has she done to Zach? There's no family here for Lori. And if these jury members truly don't know about this case, imagine how shocking it's going to be when they find out that she's been convicted for the murder of her own children and Tammy Daybell.